Hello everyone. The condition we are discussing this week is a concern for a lot of people in India and the world: hair loss. Statistics from the American Hair Loss Association suggest that by the age 31, 66% of men experience some form of hair loss. Women and children aren't immune to this condition either. While the leading reason for hair loss was heredity, a lot of other factors can play a vital role here in this modern world. The medical term for hair loss is alopecia, and the causal factors could be stress due to lifestyle and other reasons, not having a balanced diet, hormonal changes in women due to pregnancy and menopause, existing health issues such as thyroid problems, PCOS, and diabetes, use of hair products and other hair styling procedures that are used to alter the appearance of your hair. In our 3-week video series on hair loss, we'll focus on the role of diet and look into approaches and some recipes that can address the problem. Our primary focus throughout this series will be on protein-rich foods for a couple of important reasons. Number 1. More than 80% of our hair is made of proteins, and most of it is a special protein called keratin. Number 2. Hair goes through two main phases: anagen, also called growth phase, and telogen, also called resting phase. Our hair keeps growing about ½ inch per month as long as the hair follicles are in the growth phase. But once they enter the resting phase, for any number of reasons, the hair stops growing and starts thinning. When we do not consume enough protein on a regular basis, our body tries to adapt to the low protein content and allocates protein to other important functions. Due to this protein deprivation, hair follicles enter the resting phase and start thinning. Now that you know the importance of protein for hair, let's move on to other important nutrients. Over 3 weeks, our focus will be on 3 main nutrients, namely biotin, zinc, and iron. This week's focus is on biotin. Biotin is known for stimulating keratin production and increasing the rate of hair follicle growth. In addition, it plays a role in turning macros such as carbs, proteins, and fats into energy and maintaining ideal blood pressure, among others. Food and Drug Administration (FDA), European Food Safety Authority (EFSA), and many standard organizations recommend a daily dose of 30 to 40 micrograms of biotin for adults, which is a reasonable target to achieve through a balanced diet. However, there is not enough research supporting that biotin supplements can be beneficial to your health unless you have a biotin deficiency. Also, the supplements industry is largely unregulated and does not account for the side effects caused by oversupplementation. In short, the best way to get biotin is through food. We have 3 recipes this week that can give you the required biotin and protein boost while being on the yummy side of the taste spectrum. We have egg cheese balls, a super light recipe for breakfast. This recipe provides you with adequate protein and biotin, plus many more goodies like healthy fats and micros. With low sodium included, this is a great breakfast for people who work out in the mornings, and of course for anyone who wants good hair. Our second recipe is Paneer Egg Shakshuka, a slight twist to the Middle Eastern delicacy. It is great for lunch or supper because it can give you most of your protein and biotin fix in one meal, all while being light. The beauty of this recipe lies in the simplicity of it, and we definitely recommend it for foodies out there. The last one today is a dessert: pista paneer balls. It's really hard to find protein-rich desserts that are this yummy. If you love paneer, you are in for a treat. Plus, it has a lot of biotin, hence great for your hair too. While many other nutrients are important to avoid hair loss, we will not discuss all of them in detail, but we definitely tried to include most of the important nutrients in our recipes. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section or write to us directly via email or Instagram.